Yeah, so this is the routine that Arjav does. He comes up via the ropes. He's learning the ropes. Rope produces about 5-6 feet. And there he comes, there comes Arjav. And he's climbing, and he's climbing. And he gives a pose. That's his Korak moment. That's his MRF bat. And he's on his way. And he gives Papu high five.
That's okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay, that's okay.
Okay, let it go.
Alright, thank you. And there he goes, all the way.
Okay, go ahead.
Arjav,